Hello everyone, I'm Susie Mackie and I'm an advocate for women, resilience warrior and mentor for encouraging and enabling women to build authentic confidence in who they are as women as well as what they do in their profession. I'm very excited and honoured to announce that I'm a speaker for the 2023 BOWLD virtual conference taking place on the 8th of March, International Women's Day. Empowering women economically is a critical component in the overall process of realising gender equality and embracing equity. I'd like to thank Blue Ocean Conferences for championing such an important cause and inviting me on board to share my experiences and expertise. This year, BOWLD is focused on women empowerment, the key to achieving social and economic stability, a crucial subject in today's turbulent times. BOWLD, or the Blue Ocean Women Leadership Development, is a strong and essential initiative for women by women. BOWLD is here to empower women to be led confidently and indeed to lead confidently and radiate that confidence to the world. Let us come together in this transformational journey and create a more positive understanding of who we are and the value that we bring to the table, in fact, that we bring to the world. I look forward to seeing you at the BOWLD 2023 conference on the 8th of March, International Women's Day. Thank you.